TaylorKitchen today is in Kauai, Hawaii, and I am with my brand new friend Parisa, who is at the resort that we are staying at. But my brother James put me in touch with Parisa quite some time ago, almost a year. And so we've been looking forward to a time when I was going to be back here in Kauai and we could get together and film. And I've heard all kinds of things about Parisa's cooking, like phenomenal Thai food, guys. And we're really excited. We're in her kitchen today and she's going to walk us through her dish, which is
Cashew chicken.
cashew chicken. It sounds delicious. So we're just going to dive right in and get started. And why don't you just like walk us through, and if you want to put me to work, just let me know what I need to do.
Thank you. My name is Parisa Jade. Welcome to my kitchen, and today we make simple, easy, anyone can do it food. Cashew chicken. I start with I wash all the chicken breast already, but you guys can use chicken thigh too. I kind of do like ankle a little bit.
Yeah, I feel like that makes it even more tender when you cut it that way.
Yeah, and more evenly when you cook them.
You're getting a master class here, folks.
I just someone love to cook. I just enjoyed it.
So who did you learn to cook from?
First of all, is my grandmother.
Yeah.
She have 12 children.
Wow.
As our house is about 30 to 50 people every night.
Wow.
Huge family, and yeah, I don't know. I remember myself when I grow up. I'm just wash the dishes, cut vegetable, and after that, my mom decided to open a restaurant in Thailand, and of course, I'm be a child labor. I'm like, I can make curry when I'm 10 years old.
Yeah.
It's like.
So your mom had a restaurant?
Yes.
Wow. How many years?
Maybe 10 years.
Okay.
We hard worker, wake up at 3 o'clock, 3 in the morning. She go to the market, get all the stuff, make the soup. We sell only one thing, it's the soup.
So for chicken breast then, we got some olive oil going in.
Avocado oil.
Oh, avocado oil.
I don't, in Asian dish, I prefer.
Heat too, yeah.
I love to use avocado oil more because
it doesn't have that grassiness.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
It's more neutral.
Yes.
Coconut sugar going in. Pepper. I have one of those gravity pepper grinders there.
I love it. This one is give a little bit of color.
Okay.
I kind of like it. This one, and them a little bit like.
Yeah, it's soy-ish. Yeah.
Yeah, it's more stronger.
Very strong.
And this is my favorite soy sauce mushroom, but it's somebody allergic to mushroom. It's the same brand. Them have a Licula one.
Okay.
The one no mushroom,
Mushrooms, that's cool. Okay.
It smells better.
Yeah.
It just like have that mushroom smell.
Yeah. Something I've never tried this, so I'm being exposed to all new things today.
And it's the oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce. Yep.
And this one I'm use the end because it's sesame oil is very strong, but it's just quick and gone.
Yeah.
I just want that scent still on the food when I finish cooking.
Okay.
And make sure wash your hand.
And then you're just gonna let that marinate once you
Massage
it all into the chicken breast.
Now it's easy.
That was easy. Then you're just gonna give it a rough chop.
Them have, but yes.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see the design that she's getting on this carrot because of the peeler that she's using. It's just beautiful. And so that's a lot of Asian cooking is the shapes and the textures of the things that you're putting in. And this is just making it extra special.
Actually, you can do like a salad too. I
Oh,
love
yeah.
to do that. My boyfriend really love that kind of.
Yeah.
You just like grate them like this,
And then you've got these nice ribbons for your salad.
and you just put on top of the green. It's so
Yeah,
pretty.
so pretty. I love that. I love anything fresh, colorful.
Yes, me too. And this one.
Slice on the diagonal. Okay.
It's gonna.
Yeah, it's very pretty. Give it a little, and that'll absorb more flavor because you've got all those nooks and crannies around there.
When I cut vegetable, I love to cut for different shape.
Yeah.
Give you different like a art, you know, like a
Right.
like a flower, like a tree, different shape, different color, and give you like different varieties.
Onion.
We need a green right here. It's about like 3 spoons. I'm gonna start with the onion first
Okay.
because them took longer to cook. And the white part of the green onion too. I'm gonna
Okay.
put them in there first.
Well, all the aromatics are going in first to flavor that oil.
Thank you. That smells good.
Yes, it does. That's all you have to do is like heat up some oil and throw in some onion and some garlic, and people think it's some fabulous dish already just because it smells so good. Now that garlic's gonna hit us.
The garlic
It
smell.
smells really good. My mouth is watering already.
One more minute.
One more minute.
Okay, I see the color start turn yellow. That's it.
And then the chicken goes in.
Did you know the chili flake depends. Some people love a little bit of kick. You can add them when you cook the garlic and onion. But this time, I'm gonna make like a like the kid can eat it, anyone can eat it. But if some people love spice, you can add on that time. And again, it's depend. You love spicy, you can add a lot.
Right.
If you don't like much spicy, just a little
Just
bit.
hold back a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
The carrot gonna go.
Carrots first because they're the hardest. What a beautiful dish already. Just the colors are very inviting.
Like a rainbow.
Yes. Eat the rainbow. That's what they say.
Okay. And I think we're done.
Okay. Awesome.
And after I turn the gas off, I always
Then you add the green part.
because
the
them
scallions.
soft. Yeah. It took about 1.5 hours to cook brown rice, but your brown rice is
Harder.
soft and very nicer.
Yeah.
Okay. The big one is for Tim.
Yes, he does eat more than I do sometimes. Unless it's dessert, then I usually do more than he does.
I am the chief tasting officer
He is the
of
CTO.
TaylorKitchen. So it's my job to taste the final product.
I believe you do excellent
That is
job.
so pretty. It's just
Very
beautiful.
pretty. Gorgeous.
try to get bell pepper.
A little bit of everything.
Yes.
And then it looks really pretty too.
Again, if you love a lot of cashew, you can add more.
Sure.
Yeah. And
Okay, I am so excited to tuck into this.
Yes.
This looks absolutely delicious. Oh wow, the flavors of this are amazing.
thank you.
And this
I
was so
approve.
quick. CTO approves, Chief Tasting Officer. That's amazing.
Very good.
It's intense in flavor, but yet it's really light. And so good. So good. Well, thank you for sharing this recipe with us.
You are welcome.
Thank
Enjoy.
you very much.
I will link it, TK Foodie, below. And I think we'll be seeing more of Parisa in the future. Hopefully she will have her own cooking channel coming soon with delicious Thai dishes. So thank you so much for having us in your home and showing us this delicious dish.
You guys are welcome anytime. If you guys here on the island, let me know.
We're ready to come back.
Absolutely.